It's pretty incredible. What's more incredible, Groucho actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Do you guys want to hear another song? Yeah. You know what, Groucho? They have been such a good audience. First, can you give them a nice big kiss? Good stuff. Alright, Groucho, you sang Camptown Races. You know 6 more. You get to pick whichever one you want. You ready?
I've heard on American Idol. He's amazing.
It's pretty amazing.
Anybody would want a bird like that?
Well, I can see why you'd say that. But Groucho here, he's 1 in a million. We've never met another parrot that can mimic quite as well as Groucho can. And even though he